In a dimly lit room filled with the scent of old books and ink, two renowned experts sifted through pages that held secrets untold, secrets so profound they would challenge everything you thought about yourself. What they found next shocked even the experts as these best psychology books on human behavior for beginners began to rewire their own minds in ways they never imagined possible, uncovering truths hidden beneath layers of societal norms and personal biases. These revelations were not just knowledge, they were a gateway into understanding the intricate dance between our thoughts, feelings, and actions that shape who we are. Are you ready to step inside this mysterious journey where every page turns your world upside down? In the quiet of a morning, as the first light seeps through your curtains, you might find yourself pondering life's complexities. Why do we make choices that don't align with our goals? What makes some people thrive while others struggle despite similar circumstances? These questions have puzzled humans for centuries and now lie at the heart of psychology, our quest to understand human behavior. Imagine a library filled with books, each one whispering secrets about what drives us. Some are dense and academic, others light and engaging. But there's something special among them, the best psychology books on human behavior that speak directly to beginners. These aren't just dry texts, they're beacons of insight, guiding you through the labyrinthine corridors of your own mind. Consider this: when we read about empathy or resilience in these books, take for instance Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl. His story is not just one man's experience but an exploration into the depths of human suffering and survival. Or take Thinking, Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman, a journey through our dual systems. System 1 works quickly with little or no effort, giving us instant judgments. And then there's System 2, which takes time to think things out carefully. Both are vital but often conflict in ways that can shape our decisions. These books, they introduce concepts such as cognitive biases, where we might be making choices based on before we continue. People who explore their own thoughts deeply are rare. Welcome to MindLedger. Old fears or outdated beliefs without realizing it. For example, confirmation bias, whereby we seek out information to support what we already believe, and its role in the quiet corners of our minds. There lie stories that are both familiar yet mysterious. These tales shape who we are, influence how we behave, and determine what choices we make every day. Today, let's explore a fascinating journey into these hidden depths through some of the best psychology books on human behavior for beginners. Imagine sitting in a cozy library surrounded by shelves lined with volumes filled not just with words but layers upon layers of insight. Each book holds within it secrets that can rewire your brain and transform how you perceive yourself, others, and life itself. These aren't ordinary tales, they are gateways to understanding the intricate workings of human behavior. Let's begin at a place where our emotions reside, those fleeting sensations that often guide us without us realizing their true power. We all have experienced moments when we felt deep joy or profound sadness. But what exactly happens in our brain during these times? How do emotions? Consider the example of a young woman named Sarah who had always struggled with social interactions. Reading Quiet, The Power of Introverts by Susan Cain opened her eyes to understand that she wasn't broken, just different in how she processed information. This revelation changed not only her self-perception but also her approach to situations and relationships. Or take the case of John, who found himself drawn into reading Thinking, Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. It exposed him to the concept of cognitive biases, those mental shortcuts that can lead us astray without our realizing it. Armed with this knowledge, he began to question his decisions more critically, making better choices in both personal and professional life. These books aren't just about understanding human behavior. They are why does this matter now? In today's fast-paced world, we are bombarded with information from every direction. Our brains are, but what if there was a way to navigate these complex currents more effectively? What if reading the best psychology books on human behavior could be your compass? Consider this: in our daily lives, we face challenges that can feel overwhelming. From managing relationships at work or home to understanding ourselves better. These experiences are, but imagine lifting a veil from over these complexities, what would it reveal? A clearer path forward, perhaps? The best psychology books on human behavior offer us tools that can. If you want to know what happens next, subscribe now, because the next part drops very soon. And if you have a question, drop it below. We turn the best comments into full videos. Reshape how we perceive the world around us. They provide insights into why people act in certain ways or what drives their emotions. For instance, have you ever wondered why someone might lash out at a loved one during an argument? Or why they seem to always pick the wrong moment for a conversation? These books delve deep beneath surface-level behaviors and reveal hidden truths about human nature. They uncover the intricate wiring of our brains, how we form habits, how emotions are processed, even what motivates us on both conscious and subconscious levels. Take, for example, Daniel Kahneman's Thinking, Fast and Slow. It explores two systems that operate within each one of us: one fast, intuitive, emotional; another slow, logical, deliberate. Understanding these dual processes can fundamentally change how we approach decision-making in our lives, helping us make choices with greater clarity. Or consider Brené Brown's work on vulnerability. Her books, the best psychology books on human behavior for beginners, aren't just guides, they're profound keys that unlock hidden doors within us. Consider the story of Emma, who stumbled upon one such book by accident while browsing in her local library. As she delved into its pages filled with insights about self-improvement and cognitive biases, something unusual happened. Her perception began to shift subtly but profoundly. The world around her seemed brighter. Problems that once loomed large now appeared as fleeting clouds on a sunny day. Imagine sitting in a cozy armchair late at night, flipping pages that whisper secrets about human nature. These books aren't just filled with dry theories, they offer vivid examples of how others have faced challenges and thrived. They paint pictures so clear you can almost hear the laughter or feel the tension. Take, for instance, the concept of cognitive dissonance, how we justify behaviors to maintain a positive self-image, even when those actions might be harmful. The best books on human behavior explore this in depth with real-life examples that resonate deeply. You find yourself nodding along as you read stories of people who thought they were making choices based solely on logic and reason, but ended up entangled in their own webs of justifications. These insights aren't always easy to digest, especially when they hit close to home. It's the best psychology books on this subject offer us a path through these intricate halls and chambers of thought. Imagine stepping into a library where each book whispers secrets about why people act the way they do. These aren't just any ordinary texts, they're guides that can help rewire your brain, making you more aware of how emotions shape actions and decisions. They provide insights not only for beginners but also for seasoned readers who seek to understand themselves better. Take a moment now to close your eyes and picture yourself holding one such book, a narrative filled with real examples of people's lives intertwined with psychological principles. As you turn the pages, each chapter opens up new perspectives on human behavior, how it's shaped by our environments, past experiences, and even subconscious desires. These books peel back layers. The journey through these texts is not just about gaining knowledge, it's a transformative experience that can change how you perceive the world around you. By understanding why others behave as they do, you also gain insight into your own reactions and motivations. This awareness allows for growth, becoming better equipped to navigate life's challenges with greater empathy and resilience. But what comes next? After exploring these books, we find ourselves standing at a crossroads where theory meets practice. The questions begin: how can I apply this knowledge in my daily interactions? What changes might be necessary within me so that these insights truly resonate? These are not easy paths to tread. They require introspection and honesty about our flaws and strengths, yet the reward is immense, a deeper connection, but the real question still remains unanswered. Subscribe before part 2 drops, because what comes next is even bigger. The next episode goes even deeper. Subscribe so you don't miss it.